Did you know the Mexican flag features an ancient Aztec prophecy right in its center? Welcome to FlagLore. Our story begins in 1325 with the founding of the Aztec Empire. According to legend, they built their massive capital where they saw an eagle devouring a serpent on a cactus. This warrior state quickly expanded, ruling millions across Mesoamerica. Everything changed when Hernán Cortés landed in 1519. Within 2 years, the mighty Aztec capital fell to Spanish forces. The once great empire collapsed, and the Red Cross of Burgundy was raised over the ruins, marking the dawn of New Spain. For nearly 300 years, the viceroyalty of New Spain flew the Spanish cross, fueled by vast silver wealth. But in 1810, Father Hidalgo sparked a fiery rebellion, famously using a banner of the Virgin of Guadalupe as the first rebel flag. Mexico finally secured its independence in 1821, giving birth to the iconic green, white, and red tricolor. General Iturbide briefly crowned himself emperor of the First Mexican Empire, but his grand reign collapsed after just 2 short years. During the rocky transition to a republic in 1823, a new variant emerged. The central eagle was stripped of its imperial crown to symbolize the end of the monarchy. The First Federal Republic officially adopted the crownless eagle. This turbulent era, dominated by General Santa Anna, saw a devastating war with the United States, forcing Mexico to cede half of its territory, including Texas and California. In 1864, France invaded and installed Maximilian of Habsburg as emperor. His unique flag featured crowned eagles in every corner. However, President Juarez led a fierce resistance, eventually capturing and executing Maximilian to restore the republic. The restored republic stabilized under Porfirio Diaz, who ruled with an iron fist for 35 years. While his authoritarian regime brought mass railways and industry to the nation, rising inequality finally exploded into the legendary Mexican Revolution in 1910. Following a new progressive constitution in 1917, the modern Mexican flag was standardized. Today, standing as a vibrant democracy and an economic powerhouse, Mexico continues to fly the ancient Aztec legend proudly at the center of its national banner. That's the history of the Mexican flag. Which country should we cover next? Don't forget to like and subscribe.